Are you looking for maximum security and privacy? Meet the FlexiGlide Protector Sliding Folding Security Shutter. This product is designed for service stations, airports, and shopping malls. It offers robust protection and seamless operation. The full-height, solid aluminum panels provide an impenetrable barrier against unauthorized access, theft, and vandalism. Plus, it ensures complete privacy for high-value areas. First, maximum security protection comes from solid, interlocking aluminum panels. These create a formidable barrier ideal for retail units. Next, the shutter provides total privacy. Unlike grille shutters, it offers visual blockout for sensitive areas. Another advantage is the sliding folding mechanism. This innovative design allows the shutter to stack neatly to the side when open. It maximizes access, perfect for wide or curved openings in busy locations. The FlexiGlide Protector requires no bottom track, ensuring walkways remain clear and clean. It operates smoothly on a robust top track, ideal for high-traffic areas. Shopping malls benefit from the Protector to secure back-of-house corridors and valuable retail units. Ready to elevate security for your motorway service station, airport, or shopping mall? Contact HVP Security Shutters today for help and advice. Don't wait. Secure your property with the FlexiGlide Protector today.